Wearing ear defenders with a hard hat. So can you wear something like this, an overbanded ear defender with a hard hat? Simply no. It won't fit properly. It will not give you the performance that you're supposed to be getting from your ear defenders. So what you'll need, something more like these. So these integrated ear defenders clip into the hole on the side of the hard hat. Simply push in, one side and the other. And then to adjust, pull them round, then just give it a good firm push, you'll hear it clip. And then you can adjust it on the side. And then to remove them, just reverse that. And then you spin them round. Then if you wish to park or put your helmet in storage or anything like that, and you just simply push them back down and they'll just stay firm on top of your hard hat. So then, if you wish to remove your ear defenders, you simply pull the clip towards you and pull this little clip on the inside towards you also. And then just rotate it and it'll simply unclip. Now it's worth noting with the Sonis range, these helmets and these clips have a gap so you can install a visor. That'll work with the C2, C3, C4 visors from JSP, also the forestry range of visors.